How to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you can manually find the TikTok application by scrolling left or right. And after you find it, you have to tap on TikTok application like this. After you tap on TikTok application like this, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to your profile like icon. After you tap on your profile like icon, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of edit the profile. Now, after tapping on edit the profile, you can see an interface like this. Now, in order to add a clickable link on your very TikTok, what you have to do is you have to go to the social section on the downside. And after tapping on the social section on the downside, you can go to the Instagram option here. And after tapping on the Instagram option here, you can just mention your very Instagram ID here. And also in the option of the YouTube, you can also mention your YouTube application or your YouTube account here. So this is the way on how you can add a clickable link, because if you keep the link here only in the bio, it won't be clickable. Therefore, you have to add it to the social section. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.